We're back in this room. Oh God. God, if you guys can see, I can't see nothing. Wanna go jump on trampoline? You guys wanna go jump on trampoline? I don't really feel my head. I could jump higher, but my head. But it is a great day outside. Woo! I haven't played on here for a while since I've been sick. And it's so sunny. Look at the cloudies. Not a lot of clouds out. Might be jets flying by. But yeah. Oh! Dang. Got shocked. It's kind of hard holding the camera. Whew. That's funny. Oh gosh. You guys got this what I'm watching. And what I'm eating.
Join us at any of our 6 campuses. We are one service, multiple locations. Visit us online at infomc.org.
That's what goes down with. Did I say biscuit?
This is
They
Galip.
call him Harry
He's
Potter.
a famous pop in the small Turkish town of Avanos.
Oh, Galip, you're so cute.
Female tourists flock to Galip's cave to see his acclaimed ceramics in person.
Lots of girls come.
Oh my God.
Did you see what she was making with that pottery? Show that one more time.
Yeah.
The pottery in there?
While the ladies eventually head
Oh
home,
my
part
God.
of them always remains in Turkey. Galip's record?
Yes, it's Galip cave.
A cave filled with over 500,000 locks of women's hair.
All the beautiful hairs.
Oh, dude, that's disgusting.
All hairs around the world.
This guy's house looks like he's like filmed against Chewbacca.
Ugh.
Maybe collection.
All the hair.
This one.
All that hair right back in the background.
All
All of it.
those years. Yep. And you have a cave. That's not creepy.
Stay with Galip.
Yeah, I got a freaking.
He won't hurt you.
Can't believe you entered his house like that. Ow!
Harry Potter picks a stranded friend
Hey, very warm.
and invites the lucky lady back for an all-expenses-paid vacation in his cave.